let's start with you. Hi, it's me, Leilany&keilany. And Aliens! So today is very special. We ordered Fidgets. Fidgets. That is very, very famous now. And we have this Amazon Prime box. And we're gonna open it. So
let's get now that. Yeah, you do. Where's it? Sit down. Where's it? Woo!
Ooh, there's bubbles. Okay, hold on. One thing at a time.
What is this?
Bubble thing.
Thank you.
Okay, one thing at a time, okay, guys? So, this one is the first package, okay, guys? Okay, right? Let's open this one. So, we have this stress ball, this soccer stress ball. We have these. Ooh, super stretchy. These are like little dogs.
We have a unicorn puppet! Don't tell me.
We got a dinosaur puppet. This is especially for Ellie. And then we got another pink one. Another pink dog. We got these. Ooh, squishy. Okay, and then we got an earth stress ball. Earth stress ball and a basketball stress ball. And then we also have, ooh, what's this? I think it's like a stress ball.
Okay,
It's
open
blue.
those stretchy things up, and it's very stretchy. And it's so cute. Wow!
Okay, there's also another one like that one, but white. And then there's another one of those baby ones. I think this is a lamb. Okay. Oh, kitchen puppet, cut it.
Look at the funny unicorn puppet. Look at the
The pea.
The pig! That's so
And
cute!
then there's this one. There's another one. There's a whole bunch in there. So yeah, just hanging. Okay, these, I don't even know what these are, but
Look,
these are so
I
much
opened
fun.
it, you guys, and this is how it looks.
Okay, and then there's these. I'm not sure what these are called, but yeah, we got these. There's like a little ball in there. You just squish it and then it moves.
Okay, I'm going to be getting this.
There's 4 of those. There's a blue one, a green one, a yellow one, and a red one. So there's those. Okay. Then there's a purple dog. Rich. I look so cheese. Okay. Oh, there's more of these. I think this is like a little green one. And then there's this gray panda one. And then there's a whole bunch of these little rings in here. I don't even know what these are for, but these are rings. These are like nice rings.
I wonder if I can finish it.
No, not yet. That's the first one though. That's the first package. There's another thing in here.
This is, I want this.
This is the second package, guys.
The last one?
Yeah, the last package. We have a mini Among Us puppet. Cause it's a simple dimple fidget.
Oh man, I wanted that simple fidget.
Okay, and then I got another unicorn one. There's another unicorn one and a teddy bear.
I'll choose the teddy bear. Oh man, I really wanted
Okay.
that simple.
Now we're gonna show you. We're gonna open everything and we're gonna show you closely. So I'm gonna open everything in here. I'm gonna open my fidget first.
Ah! Okay.
Okay, here's my unicorn one.
And here's my unicorn one.
Tooties! Hey! Okay.
Mom's open the simple fidget.
And then I'm gonna open this.
Next is my turn.
Okay, and I got this panda one. I mean, this is a cute!
Mine's cute though.
Mine's posing. Okay, and then I got 2 dogs, a pink one and a purple one.
What's this? Mom's open your simple dimple.
Okay, no, I'm gonna first open the keychain. Rings. I think I'm gonna give them to you, Ellie. Okay, and then I got, this is mine. And then I got this one of these. And then I got this simple dimple. I have a simple dimple fidget. This this one also goes into the hole. And it's just like this.
Does it spin?
And then
I really wanted that one.
but I put it.
To it. You can share, right?
This is a simple dimple, and it's. I mean, this side is so loud, but this side is so low. And then, yeah, I like this one. Okay, Mia, you can show off yours next.
Now I'm gonna be opening this little cute squishy thing. I don't know what it is, but they look cute and adorable. And they look so cute. And let's just get them out. I don't know what mine is.
I think it's like a turtle. It's super fat.
And I also have one doggy.
Give a little that blue one, and I'll give you the purple one.
Fine.
We're doing fidget trading. Okay.
Then I got this squishy.
Yeah, these stick together. Look.
Ah, that's mine.
Okay, I got one of those.
Now I'm gonna be opening dun dun dun.
A teddy bear.
My favorite puppet. Oh my god, it's so cute.
But not as cute as this. And it's to go.
I can take mine anywhere.
Okay, hurry. Let Mia finish, and then
I
it's
got
your
a
turn.
pea.
The pea.
One of these. Well, two of these. And one ring that I don't know what I'm gonna use for. And of course, my unicorn puppet.
Okay, your turn, Lily. What do you have?
So doggy.
A blue doggy.
The squishy.
And then he also got one of the lambs.
And he has a ring.
He has 3 stress balls. Basketball, an earth, and the soccer ball. He has this. One of these.
And
A ring, and his dinosaur
Dinosaur.
puppet.
a shell.
We're gonna share
Yeah. This is
puppet
you.
fidgets.
A shell. Okay.
I'm gonna put the chain on my baby puppet.
Oh my god, this makes sound.
And got it in. So I could just hang it to my backpack and then pop it. Pop, 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 pop. I'm scared of that.
That's when it's made for stretching.
It's squishy too.
Okay, you guys, that's the end of this video. Follow us on Insta.
And follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Leilany&keilany. We'll see you guys there. And also like, subscribe, comment, and share. Make sure you share this with all your friends, of course.
Oh, look.
And comment down below which one's your favorite fidget. Like, out of all the fidgets in the world, which one is your favorite?
Wow.
So, bye!